Imagine a world without typewriters. How would today's writers express their creativity? The journey began in the 1860s with Christopher Latham Sholes, who created the first commercially successful typewriter. Fast forward to the 1980s, when word processors revolutionized writing by allowing real-time editing and formatting. Today, artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in text composition, aiding writers with suggestions and grammar checks. Each evolution in writing technology not only enhances efficiency, but also transforms our communication styles. Can you envision a future where smart technology shapes not just how we write, but what stories we tell?